This is a mini speaker, fully designed by the Elegoo team. If you already checked out the last two videos, you know we're working on a project called Elegoo Design Studio. If not, hit the link in the description to catch up. Alright, so this time, we create this mini speaker and let me tell you, it packs a punch. It's loud, like seriously loud. At just 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters. Super portable, super convenient. It can fit your pocket, perfect for gaming, work, or anything between. It charges via Type-C port and even have a wire connection jack. Oh, and the best part, it connects via Bluetooth and it supports stereo playback. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about our previous design, check out the link in the description below. We've got more tutorials and how-to video coming your way, so don't forget hit the subscribe button. Got any ideas or suggestions? Drop in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.